Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to archive or unarchive WhatsApp chat PC. We open the WhatsApp application on the PC and we will see the chats category. To archive one, we will right-click on it and choose the archive option. After that, we will see that the chat no longer appears in this category. To find it, we will go to the bottom icon called Archive Chats. Here, our archive chats will appear. To unarchive one, we right-click on it and choose Unarchive. Finally, we will see that chat again in the main conversations category. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.